My name is Dean Bareham. I'm the artistic director of Green Fools Theatre, and I'm also the director and one of the co-creators of this show. This year's show is called COO, and it means Circus of Unity. The Circus of Unity is literally the idea of bringing a group of diverse kids together to create a show. The kids for the group come to us from some of our social service partners. We work with Calgary Catholic Immigration Society, we work with Kids Up Front, we work with the Aboriginal Friendship Society of Calgary, and we work with the Aboriginal Learning Centre and the Calgary Bridge Foundation. Our kids range from age 7 to 17 and from real diverse backgrounds. We have at least 10 or 12 different countries represented. What's beautiful about Social Circus is that you don't have to be able to speak English to understand. Visual learning is really key to this. So yeah, a real diverse group of kids.
Performing makes me feel like a star.
It's fun.
Oh, happy.
Awesome. It just makes me feel like I have somewhere to belong.
It makes me feel good.
Awesome. And looks like I'm feeling like a rock star.
Well, I hope that the kids get a sense of being part of a circus family. We always encourage that notion of being a team and being a family. So that's what I want. I want them to go away with an increased self-esteem. I want kids to leave here thinking that if they have an idea to do something, that they can, that the sky is the limit. And I hope that they come out with some friends and with some new partnerships and new buddies. I think teamwork is one of the key things that serves the kids that take this program, because what it does is it encourages you to work through your differences and get to know other people. So I'm hoping that tolerance is something that they take away, understanding of other cultures, inclusivity, what it's like to be part of something that means something that's bigger than yourself. So I hope that they walk away with an increased self-esteem, and I hope that they walk away with a positive experience, with something that they'll never forget.